Recently, I got the new Meta Quest 3, the VR headset that Meta is losing a ton of money on, as per usual. And I wanted to make a cool stand for it. So I decided to make a mannequin head. And stick around, because this will be part of a series where I make a full-sized cardboard mannequin. Subscribe if you want to see that. So I actually made a strip to, circle my head, but instead of making it, wider like I usually do for helmets, I made it shorter so that it's more true to size. Then I made this cross thing, but didn't fill in the gaps because I don't need to. Forgot to film for a little bit, so I just stuck the face on there, made that cool move right there, and started to put in the neck support. Um, I kind of needed to put a bit more material in later after doing that all, because it didn't actually fit the neck correctly. Once I did that, though, I was free to start making the neck. I just got this big strip and started bending it, and glued it together, as per usual. Once that was there, I cut out some holders for the controllers and tested to make sure that they fit because that's kind of important. Then I decided to leave it there because I know there are people that are going to be in this audience that are going to be like, why are you putting that in there? You're going to kill them. And I probably will, but it's fun to bother you guys. So now it's time for some nice cinematic shots that I did. I can film cinematically, but once again, it's fun to bother you guys. So here's what we get instead. And oh my goodness, do I sense a cool transition to some gaming shots coming up? What? No, who would do that? Who would do that? Anyways, so if you like what you see, I will maybe post a review of this headset if you want me to. I have never done VR before, so if you want that perspective, let me know in the comments below. And if you do want to see it, subscribe. If you liked this video, please click the like button. It does a little cool confetti thing. It's super awesome. Leave a comment, interact with this video somehow so YouTube thinks it's an actually good video. Bye.